Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We welcome Rag and Bone Man. So, the song is called Put a Little Hurt on Me. So, if you watch the music video, you see that he plays the guitar with a capo on fourth. We're gonna do the same, put that on there, and we have a very simple, easy life with this song. So, let's go into this one with the chords first, and we have 5 different chords to handle. Let's start with A minor. So, A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F, which is a bar chord, so place the index finger like this on the first fret, and you push down all strings. Then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have C next. That goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G coming up there. That goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and finally we have the D minor. And that will be open D, second G, third B, first E. Alright, so let's learn the strumming pattern. It will be the same throughout the song except from the bridge part. We're going to come to that later. But anyway, A minor, that's the first chord. Grab that one, and one string around sounds like this. Okay, so it's 2 downs, and then down, down, up. So why I mentioned the first 2 downs separately is because I tried to play these first 2 downs on the bass strings, and then I answer on the top and mid strings with the rest down, down, up. So that I do to get a little bit color to this strumming. So a couple of rounds of down, 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 up goes like this. And so on. All right, so let's go into the first verse. And this is about 4 rounds of chord progressions, okay? So the first, second, and third round will be the same. It's A minor, 1 string around, F, 1 string around, and C, 2 string rounds. That's the first 3 rounds. And the fourth and final round will be A minor 1, G1, and C2. So instead of having F in the mid chord there, you have G, and that will be that first verse. It goes like this. Again, A minor, F, and C2. Third time. And fourth time, A minor, G, and C. Okay, so that's the first verse. Over to pre-chorus now. What you're gonna do is to play D minor, 2 string rounds, then G1, and a pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus, and that's it. So D minor 2, G1 plus a pause like this. And then comes the chorus. So the chorus is played with 4 rounds as well. Now you're gonna play A minor 1, F1, C1, and G1. You're gonna play that for the first 3 rounds. And then on the 4th round, you're gonna play A minor 1, G1, and F2. So let's do that together. A minor, F, C, and G. And third round. And final, A minor, G, and F2. And that's the first chorus. All right. Now into the second round of everything. The second verse changes a little bit. So we have still 4 rounds in total, but now the first 2 rounds will be A minor, F, and C2 in the same way as we played the first verse. But then in the third round, you will play A minor 1, G1, and C2. That's the third round. And then the fourth round, you go back and play in the same way as you started, A minor 1, F1, and C2. So change a little bit. Let's do it together. A minor, F, and C2. Again. Now third round, A minor, G, C, and A minor, F, and C. Okay, that's the second verse. And then the second pre-chorus, you're gonna play D minor 2 and G2, okay? So in the first pre-chorus, it's a more prominent pause that builds up for the chorus. And this second pre-chorus, you just play through there, D minor 2, G2, like this. Okay, so that is the second pre-chorus. The second chorus now is played almost in exact same way. You have still the first three rounds will be A minor 1, F1, C1, and G1. And then the next part, A minor 1, G1, and F2. In the first chorus, we just played for one round. This second chorus, you're gonna play for two rounds, this final part, A minor 1, G1, and F2. So I think we understand that. We don't have to play through it. And after this second chorus comes a bridge part. We are now about 1 minute and 55 seconds into the song. This is where the strumming changes, and I mentioned that early in this tutorial. So now you will work with just downs, okay? The chord progression will be D minor, then F, A minor, and G. You will play 8 faster downs per chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first round. The second and final round, you will play exactly the same, but the last G chord there, you'll play just one down and a big pause. So the second round will be D minor, F, A minor, and G, pause. And that's it for the bridge. Now, into the final part of the song, that's the third chorus. Okay, so it builds up in the same way as the second one. That means we have the A minor, F, C, G for 3 rounds, and then we have the A minor, G, and F for the final 2 rounds. But the first 2 rounds in this first portion here, the A minor, F, C, G, you're gonna play just one down per chord and with big pauses in between. That's for the first 2 rounds. Then in the third round, you start the strumming and you go into the next part of this chorus, which will be the A minor 1, G1, and F2. You're gonna strum that for 1 round, and the second and final round, you're just gonna play it with 1 down per chord, pauses in between, and that, my friends, wraps it up for Reggae Bones Man's Put a Little Hurt on Me. Great guitar song, obviously, because he plays guitar, and you can see that in the music video. Exactly the same as we play there with the capo on fourth. So yeah, give it a try if you want to have a great song combined with easy chords. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if you did, show me that, give me some liking on this tutorial, and subscribe to this channel, of course. Thank you for this time, and until next, play tuned.